Good day mga ka-sounds, welcome back na naman sa ating panibagong video ngayon. Sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, ako pala si Henry. Sa mga ka-sounds, yung ating topic dito, mag-open tayo dito at saka magsa-soundcheck ng Jeep Spirit na SC002 na Bluetooth speaker. May na-review na rin tayo at saka na soundcheck yung Jeep Spirit na SC001 naman yon. Ito naman, SC002. So ngayon, unbox lang natin ito. So ito mga idol, actually nabuksan ko na ito, napakita na rin natin ito sa TikTok. Pero hindi pa natin nagagawa nito ng full vlog. So ayan mga lods, meron din siyang free dito na USB cable. Bali type C yung kanyang USB cable dito. At saka ito mismo yung kanyang Bluetooth speaker mga lods. So ayan, Jeep Spirit. Yan, meron siyang volume up, volume down, yung mode niya. Yung kagandahan dito is meron siyang flashlight. Ayan. So magagamit ito for emergency. So okay na okay mga lods, tapos waterproof din siya. Tapos dito sa bandang baba niya yung kanyang maliit na speaker. Tapos yung kanyang breather dito. So pwede rin siyang isabit, lagyan lang ng strap. Tapos dito naman sa gilid niya yung kanyang USB dito. So yung USB pala na ito, hindi ito for music, pang ito, pang power bank. So pwedeng gawin siyang power bank. Yung chargeran niya, yung type C, on off, tapos meron siyang AUX. Pwede tayo dito magkabit ng ng mga player kung ano mang gusto ninyong ikabit diyan dahil meron siyang AUX. So ngayon i-on lang natin ito tapos i-sound check natin. Yan, maririnig ninyo pag nag-on tayo, tumutunog yung kanyang sound na Jeep. Pwede pala tayo gumamit dito ng SD card kung gusto natin siyang i-sound check, pero gagamit tayo dito ng Bluetooth. So ngayon i-sound check natin yung ating SC002 na Jeep Spirit. So mga ka-sound, simulan na natin yung ating sound check dito sa ating Jeep Spirit na ito. So manipis lang talaga yung tunog niya mga lods. Pang ano lang ito, pang sound trip lang talaga. Lalong-lalo na pag meron kayong bisikleta.
DJ Wowie Remix. DJ Wowie Remix.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you
So
never
ito yun naman yung
said you
tunog niya
felt
sa
that
sa
way.
may vocal tayo.
Cause you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade
Full volume na yan,
away.
mga lods.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So mga ka-sounds, bali yun nga yung soundcheck natin dito sa Jeep Spirit natin na SC002. So yung opinion ko dito, manipis lang talaga yung tunog niya. So okay na rin siya pang pang bit-bit na pang soundcheck ninyo. Lalong-lalo na pag mahilig kayong mag-bisikleta. Okay din siyang dalhin pag mahilig kayong mag-sound trip habang nag-bibisikleta. So hanggang dito na lang muna sa mga bagong nag-subscribe. Huwag niyong kalimutan na i-hit yung notification bell button para sa mga video updates natin na i-upload. Maraming salamat mga ka-sounds.